If you are a DIY enthusiast, contractor, or weekend warrior, an impact driver is one of the most powerful tools in your arsenal. These compact workhorses drive screws faster, tighter, and with more torque than a standard drill. But not all impact drivers are built the same. In this video, we are breaking down the top 5 best impact drivers you can buy right now, chosen for their power, features, reliability, and value. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out and find the one that fits your needs best. Let's get started. Number 5. Milwaukee 2953-2218V Impact Driver Kit. The Milwaukee 2953-22 kit is the ultimate all-in-one solution for serious users. It includes the 2953-20 impact driver, 2 high-capacity 5 amp-hour lithium-ion batteries, a charger, and a durable tool case, all for under $240. This kit is ideal for professionals or demanding DIYers who want a complete setup with no compromises. The included impact driver delivers a stunning 2,000 inch-pounds of torque and lightning-fast drive speeds. With 4-mode drive control, including precision and self-tapping screw modes, users can adapt to any fastening scenario quickly. Whether you are driving lag bolts, deck screws, or working with fine materials, this driver offers tailored performance. Tri-LED lighting ensures maximum visibility, and the premium 5 amp-hour batteries provide outstanding runtime. They can handle demanding all-day workloads without needing frequent recharges. Number 4. Makita XDT14Z18V LXT Impact Driver. Makita's XDT14Z18V LXT Impact Driver blends intelligent design with advanced performance features to offer exceptional control, speed, and torque in a compact package. This tool is favored by professionals who value precision as much as raw power. It features a 3-speed power selection switch and a unique quick-shift mode. This automatic mode reduces impact speed and torque before driving the screw fully in, preventing overdriving and improving fastener life. Number 3. CRAFTSMAN 20V Max Impact Driver Kit. If you are shopping on a budget but still want a capable and dependable impact driver, the CRAFTSMAN 20V Max Impact Driver Kit is a stellar choice. Priced at just under $80, this complete kit includes the impact driver, a lithium-ion battery, and a charger, making it one of the most affordable and complete packages on the market. Despite its budget-friendly price, this tool delivers high performance. It offers up to 1,460 inch-pounds of torque and a maximum rotational speed of 2,800 revolutions per minute. Number 2. Milwaukee 2953-2018V Impact Driver. The Milwaukee 2953-20 delivers unmatched speed and control, making it a favorite among professional contractors who demand top-tier performance from their tools. With a powerful brushless motor capable of reaching 3,900 revolutions per minute and delivering 2,000 inch-pounds of torque, it is one of the fastest impact drivers in its class. What sets this model apart is its 4-mode drive control. It includes a precision mode that prevents overdriving and material damage, making it ideal for a variety of fastening tasks, from fine woodworking to metal framing. This mode is a standout feature for users who need versatility without switching tools. Trigger control is another strength. The Milwaukee 2953-20 offers exceptionally smooth acceleration, which is essential when working with small or fragile fasteners. Number 1. DEWALT 20V Max XR Impact Driver. The DEWALT 20V Max XR Impact Driver is a powerhouse engineered for tough fastening tasks, making it a top-tier choice for pros and serious DIYers. With a brushless motor that delivers up to 1,825 inch-pounds of torque and a maximum speed of 3,400 revolutions per minute, it packs plenty of power for driving large-diameter screws and lag bolts with ease. Its 3-speed settings provide excellent control, allowing you to match the performance to the application, from delicate cabinetry to aggressive construction tasks. The variable speed trigger enhances this control, offering a smooth acceleration curve that minimizes the risk of overdriving or stripping screws. Thanks for watching our roundup of the top 5 best impact drivers. Check the links below for the latest deals. And do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gear reviews.